Zoleka's baby boy had to go to ICU because he was born prematurely. He's a prem baby. Lazarus names the baby Bavumile Ncugana. Hlathi learns that Zoleka is a baby boy and is envious because he has always wanted a baby boy, no Zoleka. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Lazarus knows Zoleka, they're worried about their baby because what's down in ICU and they don't understand why. Because no one's explaining to them, they're just saying, please wait, we just trying to deal with the baby. Manje, the family is worried, then they start praying. They're praying for recovery umntana. Ngapho Lazarus is being a supportive present dad and partner kuzoleka. And then the thing is, finally the doctor comes and explains to them, what is the problem? The baby is premature. The baby is a premature baby. It's common. Meaning that the baby was born before time. Does this mean Uzoleka was not 4 months pregnant all this time? Can this mean that the baby is actually Lazarus's baby? And Ndingavuya. And then Uqhawe comes to see Mamake and just to comfort her. And they make such a cute family, hey? Yana no Laz no Zoleka. And then Tumela goes home to tell Uhlati, hey, Uzoleka has a baby boy and there's complications. You should have seen Hlati. Uhlati was like, Uzoleka unomntwana wenkwenkwe. You could just see like he's deep in thoughts, he's reflecting because Uhlati has always wanted a baby boy with Zoleka. I remember at some point he said, when he was back with Zoleka, he asked Zoleka if they can have another baby. Zoleka was like, hi, in my busy schedule, and sengimdala mina ndisafuna ingane. Like he's busy repeating, Zoleka has a baby boy. No likamva is even worried. Likamva can see how utata uthini na because he has a boy also. Like Uhlati could not even hide it ukuthi envious like unomona ukuthi Uzoleka kunomntwana wenkwenkwe and is not his child. And then uThulani tells him how when you need to stop pondering on this thing ukuthi Uzoleka kunomntwana wenkwenkwe. I'm sure now you have your own baby. Now inkwenkwe, you have your own boy ulikamva. So you must stop this thing yoku focus on emntwaneni kaZoleka. Focus on your family, Thumeka and your children. And then apparently the baby has now recovered from ICU, and the nurse brings the baby to Uzoleka no Lazarus. Shema ngasavuyanga Uzoleka holds the baby in her arms, busy, hello boy. Oh, they look so happy. It was so cute. And then the family comes in also to see the baby, and they also the nurse was also saying they need to come up with names and fill in the registration forms for umntwana, but they haven't even started mentioning names yet. They haven't started talking about names yet. So Zola was like, can you think about it? Because they haven't spoken about names that they'd want to name the baby. So they like keep it, and the family comes in to see the baby, and everyone is happy. Like they say, going on about how cute the baby looks. Utata Lazarus akasavuyanga. I mean, they just got in Lalifa kaNcugana, and finally Lazarus made him proud by giving him a grandson. Akasavuyanga is so happy, and then they show us a cute picture of the baby. Akasakhulanga newborn, so big. And then usister wakhe uyafona ke uNonceba to see the baby. And then, hey, Magaba was not happy about that, saying, why is now umntwana ekhonjiswa wonke umuntu? Ayizoleka hi mama, how udabs wakhe nje, this is her aunt. But Magaba ulandela amasiko nje, so obviously. And then udabs ethi, hey, I'm going to come to Joburg soon uzobona umntwana. Ubaba is busy. Utata Lazarus is busy going on about you. Encoma umntwana saying, hi, ufana nami. And then he says, he says something that the baby, the ancestors bakwaNcugana bavumile, they've approved ukuthi nanga indlalifa yabo. Lazarus took it there and said, oh, there it is, we're going to call the baby ubavumile Ncugana. Oh, so cute. Lazarus was also like smiling at that. Everyone was just cheering for them and happy. It was all like a happy moment, such a cute moment for the whole family. And then they show us umndeni kaZondo ke uHlengiwe say asking how, what is Dice and Zaki doing here? I thought so aphuma kule mpilo, what are they doing here? Lazarus lies saying that he is mentoring them. Kanti he's busy planning sabotage ikhusela. And then uDice finally asks him how, kahle what is it that you are doing? Ufuna ukwenzani? Now I see ukuthi ufuna kahle wena you want to sabotage ikhusela tech. And these people have done a lot for me, Uzoleka no Lazarus. It doesn't feel right doing this to them. And then Udice tells Utaki